Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Kamal, a ServiceNow developer and data scientist. Today I'm here with a unique concept which is called Connected Health. Connected Health, which is a portal, so where it connect the patient with the health providers. What it would do currently, we have a number of applications in different health facilities they have. But what it like is connecting the patient with the physicians or with the doctors. So what this do is it will provide all that related informations for the patient in one single portal app. Here is the registration, for example, for the patient. They can put their informations here on the registration, and also once the patients add that information, the doctor also will update that. The prescription is here if there is any prescription, and this widget is also about an appointment. If you have an appointment, if you want to have an appointment with your doctor, you can go ahead and select with the open appointment. That's a laboratory. We have any lab they can request it here by the doctors, and also the patients, they can see their lab result. The health insight is the future idea. What would this do is when these application have like at least 3 months or 4 months information collected with this app, what this do, it can predict your possibility of getting different disease. It can be hypertension, diabetes mellitus from your health information. Let's say if you are smoking, if you're not taking your smoking, if you're gaining a lot of weight, all these are a positive prediction for you to have a diabetes mellitus or some other different chronic disease. So that's a prediction one can achieve from this app. The knowledge is the most important part, where the patients, they can have the knowledge information they are looking for related with their health information, and also the doctors, they can recommend any knowledge here. So there is no printing, you don't need to do anything, you can just the patient will have an access for it, and they can have that information right there based on those unique keywords. This widget is basically if the patient has any request, they can request it here. For example, if they want to have a referral, they can request. The approval will be here. And when it comes to this widget, the community activity, connecting the patients with another patients, like-minded patient. For example, if there is a patient with a diabetes mellitus and there might be another patient for a given facility, so you can connect them and they can share ideas, connect each other, they share their experience. So if that patient is willing enough to provide that information, but in case if not, so with the limited sim women, we can allow them to have an anonymous activity. So this is the portal, and in addition, it has a global search here. In addition with the knowledge, a home button right there, there's a global search. They can search any knowledge related activities, knowledge related articles using the global search button. And most importantly here, the chat functionality. So what this do, the chat functionality, for example, if I don't have any information, if I want to reach out the virtual agent or the agent, so what I will do is over here I can go ahead and connect. If I want to call or send an email, I can also have that information here. So it's routing me to a live agent right now, and if someone is logged in there, so it can be connected with that one. So that's Mohammed Kamal right now. I've logged in. Great. So that's what I have. This is a really interesting application, a portal application with a role-based app that I developed within just one day, because I just developed it in one day. All right, that's all I have. My name is Mohammed Kamal. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.